How do you pronounce this word? So when we look at this word, it looks like certain. And if you pronounce it like that, that's fine. People will understand you. But most Americans pronounce this word certain, certain, certain. When we make a normal T, this part of our tongue touches that part of our mouth right behind our teeth, and it stops the air. Now, in words like certain, instead of our tongue touching right behind our teeth, our throat, the air is stopped here in my throat. Kind of like when you say, uh-oh. Say that with me. Uh-oh. Do you feel that? So the same thing is happening. The air is being stopped here. Certain. So there are many words that have this type of T sound. We call it a glottal T, in case you want to look it up for more examples. I'm going to go over 4 common words that contain this T sound so we can practice together. I'll say the word with a regular T sound, then I'll say it slowly with the glottal T, and then I'll say it more naturally. Okay, so we have mountain, 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 mountain. Eaten, 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 eaten. Written, 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 written. And important. So this has 2 T's. Important. That last T, we just eat it. Important, important, important. Okay, what other words do you know that contain this sound? Tell us in the comments. And also let me know if you have any questions. Put those in the comments too. All right, have a great day, and I will see you later.